So because we what does that sound?
I'm trying not to make a sound because you always make fun of me.
Sound like a dinosaur. Wow.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Straight lateral flex. What's wrong?
Slept weird.
You slept weird?
Oh,
Where?
I think like this.
Yeah.
So here and then
Okay.
here.
Side to side. Oh yeah, it is bad. What does that sound?
I'm trying not to make a sound because you always make fun of me.
Sound like a dinosaur. Side to side. It is actually really bad. Are you stressed?
Yeah?
What are you stressed about?
You.
Why? Bring your head down. Up. Head up. Sorry. That's a warm up. There, huh? Definitely on top. Wow.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. What?
It hurts right there
Where?
when you do that. Oof,
Where my
yeah,
hand is?
yep.
I know. Right there. Do you need me to count? 1, 2, 3. Relax the shoulder. You have to lift up to create that traction. Get into lateral flex, slight rotation, and then the drive is 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Straight lateral flex. Oh my god. That was pretty loud. So because we muscles first. That's the problem. I'm not trying to hurt you on purpose.
I know.
Jut your jaw forward like an underbite. Relax it. Repeat it. Relax it. Jut it. Jut it. Open. Close. Open again. Nice. Now that we loosen up the muscles there, you're going to slide your head towards your right shoulder for me. A little more.
Ow.
I know, I'm sorry. You got to say it out loud for me. Please. Okay. We're going to do the rib. The ribs always come out.
Do you think it's because I fractured it?
No. This is based on posture right there. Okay, ready? Breathe out for me. Good. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
I think there might be one more. One, 2, 3, relax.
A little more up somewhere.
That one.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Is that a rib? This one. What is that?
That one?
Yeah,
That's the one I got.
I'm gonna lower it.
Oh, that one? I can try that one. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3. Slide your ear towards your left shoulder for me. More. 1, 2, 3.
Hey.
Hey. How you feel?
Oh, so much better. This still kind of hurts.
Where?
Right here.
Side.
Ah.
One more.
Ow. I think that's my bone.
That's not your bone. Okay, now bring your head down towards your feet. More down and then up.
Can you go under my shirt?
Hey.
The friction hurts.
Hey.
The friction hurts.
That's for a different platform.
What other platform do you have that allows that? Ow. Right there, yeah. Yep.
I think you might have one more rib out still. Lay back down, please. This time you're going to wrap around my back. Breathe out. There it is. Did you feel that?
Yep.
You still there?
Kind of, but much better. Oh yeah, all the ribs are back.